Well, an Oklahoma family says State Farm is far from the good neighbor they claim to be. They're suing the company, alleging it did not fully pay for losses they suffered during a hailstorm.
Our Attorney General wants in on that lawsuit, and today all parties appeared before the Oklahoma Supreme Court. News 4's Tanner DeLeon was there. Tanner.
And this court case can have a lot of implications of what insurance claims can happen in the future. And with everything that's happened recently with the devastating tornado damage that we've seen, Oklahomans, well, they're keeping a close eye on exactly how this plays out.
Today, we're asking this court to perform its historic and crucial role of enforcing the boundaries drawn by our Constitution.
A challenge before the Oklahoma Supreme Court.
State Farm's petition is far weaker still because intervention here was not an error at all. If anything, it is State Farm that literally has no business in this court.
The case pits two Oklahoma homeowners against insurance giant State Farm. In their lawsuit, the Hirsch family from Tulsa alleges State Farm took part in a coordinated effort to deny or underpay wind and hail damage claims.
At first, we thought it was just a simple matter. It turns out this was a pervasive scheme that wasn't just done to us, it was done to thousands of people across Oklahoma.
At issue during Monday's hearing, whether or not Oklahoma Attorney General Gentner Drummond can intervene in the lawsuit. He says there are bigger concerns about consumer protection and Oklahoma's insurance market.
That's what I'm here. You pay me to protect you, and you pay me to investigate bad acts of foreign corporations that come into the state to injure Oklahomans.
But an attorney for State Farm says Drummond's involvement is unconstitutional.
It violates the separation of powers. The simple matter is the insurance commissioner can't delegate his power to the AG.
If the insurance commissioner cannot enforce these laws, and the attorney general cannot enforce these laws, then we have created a chasm in the state of Oklahoma through which foreign corporations can come in and injure Oklahomans with reckless disregard.
State Farm did not talk to us after the hearing, instead sending us a statement that says in part, quote, State Farm helps people, follows the law, and holds itself to the highest ethical standards. We strongly reject any allegations that suggest otherwise.
Having to come into court isn't accountability for a multi-billion-dollar corporation. Accountability will come when we get judgment and when there's criminal charges filed.
The oral arguments were today, but we can expect a ruling at the earliest by next Tuesday.